We undertook a significant upgrade here at the Margaret Street pump station, which obviously saw the upgrade of the pump station and a number of other forms of modernisation to the electronics that take place here as well. That's been a great partnership that we've been able to deliver alongside Aquatech.
So this is an important piece of infrastructure for Tatura because it helps remove stormwater and high amounts of rain from low-lying areas and keep it moving throughout the basin. So this is the last point where all the stormwater for Tatura ends up. Being a gravity system, has to go low. From there, then needs to be pumped up to a higher level and pumped out into the Cousins Park Reserve. So the little pump does 700 litres a second, and the big pump, when it's operational, does 1900 litres a second, so moves quite a fair amount of water.
This piece of infrastructure is of the most critical stormwater infrastructure here in Tatura. The upgrade not only provides us to be able to manage future growth in and around Tatura, but also deal with significant rain events that take place here. To be able to move stormwater efficiently and effectively out of high density areas and into runoff streams that we have here in Tatura.
This is a significant project for Aquatech as it showcases our water technologies, support and dedication to local communities.